It's Sunday, 1 p.m., and I'm going to take you to some very cool spots in Ho Chi Minh City. Let's go. It's time to have lunch, and I'm going to a restaurant inside this beautiful building here. This is an old refinery of opium built by the French. Of course, that now the refinery is deactivated, and the entire building is used for many restaurants. We're going to this restaurant here called the Refinery. So this is a beautiful French bistro. There is the inner part. I'm here at the outside part, and it's half covered, half not. Really beautiful. My main dish today will be cordon bleu chicken. And for dessert, I got this amazing, beautiful banana cup with a coffee iced latte. That looks so beautiful. I just arrived in the Special Forces Museum. Let's go in. Thank you. Ooh. Okay, done.
So this house has been built in 1963 by the name Trần Văn Lai, the owner of the house. He's built in this house in 1963, and he was a member of the Reserve Force too. So here for the chair, maybe.
He like the shoe or something?
Yeah, for sure. But now not show the shirt. It's show for the. We call that the bombing the Caravel Hotel. Well, in this one, in this fighting, they have 40 kilo in the valley. They put 40 kilo the dynamite, TNT, TNT in this valley.
Okay.
They bombing this hotel.
Wow.
It's just some picture, maybe some information of the battle, like the bombing the Spring Hotel and US Embassy.
Gia đình thì chưa công nhận được lý do không phải là chính quyền mà lý do là giữa gia đình và bên đơn vị biệt động thay tên không khớp.
And over there, there is the uses and
Wow, that's a lot.
What is that? What's that? Over here, they hiding.
Inside it. Wow.
Yeah, they're hiding the bone shell in the wooden. That is what. This is the hand grenade from Germany, you know. And this one, first of all, you will see that's just a big basket of the fruit, right?
Yes.
But down there, from the down there, you can see because we have to discard.
Yes, of course. Now we're heading to another museum. Let's go. In Vietnam, and I believe that in all Southeast Asia, it's common that people wear just like this, lots of clothes and a mask on their face so they can protect from the sun. I just arrived in the next spot, and it's kind of in a hidden street, very small, very cozy and very residential. Unfortunately, the guy just told me that I cannot shoot inside, but at least I will show you the front of the building so you can at least take a look outside. Guys, this was such a cool place. It's really worth to visit. It is beside a cafe that has this theme of the Vietnam War. The little museum, it's actually a little house, and it's for free, and it's really cool. Unfortunately, we can't record or take pictures inside, but it's really nice. Has lots of gun, and it has a bunker at the bottom of the building, and it's so cool. A little bit claustrophobic too, because the place is very small, but it's so worth the visit. And it's like a half-hour visit, really fast, and a really cool place. It's 5 p.m. now. I stopped by a cafe just to rest a little bit and wait for my next activity. I am going to meet my driver, and it's such a pity because it started to rain. It's raining just a little, not too much, but I'm going for a motorcycle ride, so I'm a little afraid that things won't go as planned. But let's see. Either way, this is going to be a very cool adventure. So I came here out of curiosity. It turns out that I found the most amazing people. You guys are great. Never thought that you would be so receptive. So basically what I'm doing now is a food tour, and I'm going to have a bike ride right now, and I'm stopping with this tourist group at certain places to eat local food.
Ready?
Go? So there's this group of tourists, everyone in its own motorbike. And we're going to stop. We're going to stop in many different places. Let's do it.
How do you like that one?
But basically, the food is the similar one with corn, spring onion, and the pork or like pork as well. Yeah.
Yeah, the base is good.
Yes.
It's great. It's like a pizza.
Like a pizza. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
High grade. Very high grade.
You can happen to see they have many flowers in here with different types that we use for many different occasions. Like this one, the white and purple, is for a funeral. All right, and the colorful one, like red, pink, orange, we use it for celebrations like birthday, anniversary, or weddings. Yeah, it depends. Okay, and we'll also have more drinks here if you want to. Like, you want any more juice, like the passion.
I never believe it, but it's so good.
It is salty, the chocolate. Yeah.
For the food, which part of the tour you like the most?
Which part of the food I like the most?
Which part of the tour, I mean, not the food.
I really like the flower market.
Yeah.
Besides, I really love that we eat a bit, then we walk a bit, then we eat a bit, then we walk a bit.
Yeah, it's like burn the calories.
Exactly, we don't get like stopped in just one single place. Oh my god, I ate so much. My belly is completely full. I can't barely walk. Now I'm back to downtown, and right behind me it's happening a public concert. That was not in my original plan, but I'm very curious about it, so I'm gonna go there and check out what's happening. Some people are watching the concert from afar. They're using their motorbikes. Must be a really comfortable way of enjoying the concert, right? So as far as I understand, this concert is sponsored by a beer brand.
Vợ ơi, màn hội này chúng ta chưa quét không ạ? Hãy nhanh tay quét em ở coi cho màn hình sân khấu đi nào. Và chỉ còn ít phút nữa thôi thì chúng tôi sẽ tìm ra 5 mảnh hổ may mắn tiếp theo để nhận về cho mình những giải thưởng đặc biệt lần này đấy nha. Mà nếu như mảnh hổ nào chúng ta chưa nhận được thì chúng ta đừng đi đâu hết. hãy ở yên đây cùng với Đại Tiền Bật Tung sảng khoái, vì Công đang có rất là nhiều những hoạt động thú vị để dành tặng cho các mảnh hổ và những phần quà hấp dẫn tiếp theo. Xin được mời các mảnh hổ sẽ cùng thưởng thức và cũng như quét mã QR trên màn hình sân khấu để có cơ hội xin về cho mình những phần quà hấp dẫn. Đó chính là một thùng bia Tiger Crystal. Và rồi, và cũng đừng quên.
I'm back. Oh my god, I had so much food today. I feel like I'm super full. Time to sleep because it's already late. Thanks for watching. See you next time.